The DSRU team provide advice and consultation to a wide range of organizations. We provide advice on matters related to pharmacovigilance, pharmacoepidemiology, risk management, risk minimization, and monitoring the effectiveness of risk minimization. We have a highly respected team of physicians, epidemiologists, statisticians, and biomedical scientists. Our team has an in-depth knowledge of both the scientific methods and the regulatory requirements to conduct such studies in Europe. We sometimes recommend that our data sources are used, or we advise organizations to use a range of other data sources that are available in the UK, all over Europe. My colleague, Miranda Davis, a senior clinical research fellow at the DSRU, will talk in more details about the capability of the DSRU in providing consultancy and advice.
So what normally happens is that we're approached by someone, and this might be for a number of different reasons. They may just wish for some advice, for example, or some ongoing consultancy with regard to a particular pharmacovigilance issue. And we work alongside people from many different backgrounds. So this includes small to larger sized pharmaceutical companies, other not-for-profit organizations, and other academic institutions. So the first thing we would do is to meet with the person and find out exactly what their requirements are. We would find out all about the product, the current stage and the life cycle of the product, and we would look at any existing regulatory communications or regulatory requirements. We do have a long experience of being able to help people understand the regulatory processes involved, and this can often really help to smooth the path. So once we have fully understood the nature of the safety issue, we would then discuss the best possible way forward. We can advise on the optimal study design and data source after considering all the relevant factors. So for example, this would include considerations such as an understanding of the nature of the study population, the extent to which the product is being used or is likely to be used, and how common the safety outcome is. And then we would be able to advise on whether prospective data collection or retrospective data collection using existing data sources would be best suited to answer the research questions. So this really depends on the particular needs of the person. There is a good deal of flexibility in this process. And so what exactly we do next will very much depend on the specific requirements in each individual case. It's important here to emphasise that the DSRU is a not-for-profit organisation, and as such this is reflected in our competitive costs for these services. We also do have a long track record and a good deal of experience in studying both safety and effectiveness outcomes within a risk management context. And finally, we work hard to foster close working relationships with our partners and to maintain these close contacts and support throughout every stage of the process.